Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're actually talking about dash covers. I want to show you a dash cover inside a Volkswagen Jetta, but this could be a dash cover inside your vehicle. It's custom fit for your vehicle. You give us the year, make, model, and we can get it going for you. So we're working on this dash cover install right now. And the first thing I've done is I've actually laid it in place on the dash to make sure that everything's looking good. We have done the seat cover install on this vehicle already here. So we're doing a black dash cover to match it up now. And so what we'll do is first lay it out, make sure everything's looking good. The contours are all lining up with the vents are all open where it should be. Openings for your vents right here. So that's all looking good. The next thing we need to do is clean off the dash cover with some soap and some water. And I have a microfiber cloth to help with that. Now these Velcro pieces, this is actually what's gonna stick down. This is sticky back Velcro. We're gonna cut this into smaller pieces and then lay it on a clean dash. And then what we'll do is position that dash cover back on when that those Velcro pieces are there. So I've taken the dash cover off for a second, and now what we're doing is I actually sprayed this side with some soap, just some light dish soap, and then this other side is just wet with water. And so what I'm gonna do is just kind of give this a little bit of a cleaning right now to make sure it's cleaned off, and that way if there was any oils on here before, I'm not gonna have issues with that sticky back Velcro. So I'm gonna clean that off and then put down the Velcro pieces. So now that I've cleaned off the dash, next step is to cut these sticky back Velcro pieces down into smaller pieces because I want those separated throughout the dash to kind of get the whole dash cover stuck down and laying flat. And so about that size is what I'm gonna go with today. I'm gonna cut this one now as well. And before I go, just sticking on the Velcro right away here, I'm gonna lay the cover on again one more time, kind of plan out where I wanna stick these. I'm thinking about sticking one here on the corners, here as well, up on the top right here, also towards the back. I'm gonna try sticking some towards back here so those stay down. I'll do some in the middle as well, and then some in this back corner right here as well, and then definitely this corner right here as well to keep that down, and back here as well. So a couple different places. I'll stick those all down first and then put the whole cover on. So I have my Velcro pieces all stuck down now. The corners here, up here on the front, and then towards the back because there's a really skinny piece and I want to make sure it gets stuck down here. I probably could have put that a little farther in the corner there, and then a few in the middle, but mostly on the edges to make sure the edges all stick down. And I left just a little bit extra. This is as much extra as I have right now. So we're gonna try that, see how everything looks, and if I need to use any a little extra, then I got a little bit more to work with. We'll stick this down now, see how I did. I'm about halfway done, and I have noticed definitely the spots where I have the Velcro definitely lays down nice. And I did start kind of from this front edge and then worked back and sticking everything else on. I might put another piece just right around here, kind of keeping this spot down a little bit better. And now I'm gonna start working over there. So I have it all stuck down now. I did end up using those other pieces. I put another one over here and another one over there. And I am glad I put some pieces towards the back there. That seemed to help a lot. And you know, I do think that sticky back Velcro everywhere that I put it, and it doesn't need to be a big piece. The smaller the pieces, the small pieces worked fine, just to kind of hold it down. And so that's one thing. If I had some more, I might even use some more of that sticky back. But it seems like things are working good on that. So that's the install, getting that on, getting that dash cover installed there. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you have any more questions about dash covers or other products like seat covers, floor mats, other things like that, feel free to contact us at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.